Hi, Miss Melanie Jacinto. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, ma'am. I'm Melanie Jacinto, 36 years old, married. I have two sons, aged 17 and 12 years old, and I have one daughter, 9 years old, living at Barangay Pitpit, Santa Cruz, Ilocos Sur. I have 6 sisters and 3 brothers, and I'm the second child of the family, and I'm high school graduate, ma'am.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I'm working in Saudi Arabia as domestic helper as 2 years contract finish.
What are your duties and responsibilities?
I do all household chores like cleaning, washing, ironing clothes, and cooking.
How would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking, honest, and responsible person, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
Yes, ma'am. I have the CS. It was 9 years ago.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to send my baby, my child in school until the finish college, ma'am, and I want to build a house for my family.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Can you give us your idea on how would you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
I must be patient, more patient, ma'am, and understanding with them.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. 5 little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkey jumping on the bed."
Very good. So what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I hope you select me as your helper because I am a hardworking, honest, and understanding person, ma'am. I promise to serve your family. I will do all my best, ma'am. Thank you.